Welcome back. You're watching Aciero, and today I'm back again, and today I'm back with another unboxing and a review. Actually, I've had this perfume for some time now, a few weeks, and I'm in love. Ladies, I couldn't wait, or gentlemen, I couldn't wait to tell you about this. It's called Champaca Absolute from Tom Ford. So Champaca Absolute is something I've never thought of buying or even dreamed of or never had on my wish list until recently. I visited the shops and they had a 25% sale on their perfumes, and all perfumes, Tom Ford never goes on sale here in our shop. So normally it retailed for I think 268 euros, and apparently it was cheaper. I thought I wanted tobacco vanilla because everyone wanted it and it seemed so sweet and lovely, and I was like, yeah, maybe I'm going to buy tobacco vanilla. But then I smelled it, it was really nice, but they didn't have it. So I was only left with the choices they had available. So all those choices I smelled noir, I smelled what, but all the other ones I had, and I didn't like most of them. But this one was a different thing. So I didn't buy it immediately. What I did is I was like, I'm not so sure it's what I want. So I just tried it on. I just sprayed some on myself and my scarf, and then I went home. On my way home, I smelled myself. I was in the car and I was like, huh? How do I smell so edible? I feel like I want to eat myself. I feel so nice. It smelled so nice. It felt so comforting. I just kept smelling myself, and then I arrived home because we are in COVID. Even in a mask, I could smell myself. And when I arrived home, I was like, it was the only last bottle left, so they only had one bottle of this. So I was like, let me reserve it. So I called the sales associate and I asked them to reserve the bottle for me. And now I'm going to tell you what it's all about. So ladies, I'm so excited. This, or gentlemen, Campari Absolute. I have other Tom Ford fragrances, but this is unique. It's different. It's another. It's not like those other perfumes, like you smell all over the place. But let me tell you what it has, what type of perfume it is. This perfume, it says here, the main cause is floral, it's sweet, it's woody, it's powdery, it's nutty, it's a warm spice, it's amber and vanilla and white florals. The best woods in this perfume are sandalwood, vanilla, amber, and maroon glance. But let me tell you what I feel when I spray it, what I smell myself. I first, first sprays like boozy, cognac, and bergamot, and then later on you get the opening of the flowers, which are like you get the violets, you get the jasmine, you get the orchid, you get the chapaco, and most of it has the chapaco flowers. Those flowers are from a tree called, I don't know, it's a tree, comes in different flowers, but these are the yellow flowers it comes with. It's made from a yellow flower. I smelled, I got an impression that it had some banana in it, but it's the Campaccio flower, and it's also described as a floral that's made from these flowers that are collected, wildflowers that are collected in hundreds and hundreds and thousands to just make one scent. So it's a very exclusive scent. Recommend this if you're going to church, going to see your friends, going out in the evening. It's also a unisex perfume. So for most of you who are guys and feel like, should I wear this? It's something for both. And I feel it leans more to the feminine side. To me, I love it. And I have many other Tom Ford perfumes, but I really, really love this one. It stands out, it's unique. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think I've told you so much about this perfume, Champaca Absolute. I also have, I think, Patchouli Absolute, but I prefer Champaca Absolute. The other scents I didn't really like that. I was really happy that I could get it on sale. I hope Tom Ford comes up with sales, but I've also realized on the Tom Ford website they've decreased the prices from the 268 euros to 209 or 216 euros here in the Netherlands. But on the US side, they seem cheaper. Apparently, you cannot buy them directly from the US website because of their, I don't know what the thing is, because I think they're cheaper there if we do a currency conversion. And I feel like with this scent, your 50 mil, it's kind of very expensive for that kind of price, and I don't know, I didn't go for the bigger version because I'm not someone who really wants to buy big bottles, because when you buy big bottles you never get time to wear all your other scents, especially if you have many. I don't have a very big collection, but I'll show you my entire collection in the next video. Maybe it will be linked over here or at the end card. And I hope you love seeing my entire collection and all the other reviews on some scents I bought recently. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you've had enough information to help you do your research and make a decision and make a purchase decision for your next perfume. And thanks for watching. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Love you loads. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and like this video, comment, and see you in the next video in 1, 2, 3, and